This is Report Writer AI, an AI-powered tool that helps home inspectors write reports faster without losing their personal style or pricing logic. The backend runs on Fast API, handling defect image storage and turning inspection photos into structured reports. The front end is based on React and TypeScript with Vite, featuring a clean Tailwind UI and Supabase authentication. Everything lives in PostgreSQL through Supabase, with row-level security keeping each company's data completely isolated in our multi-tenant setup. As you log into your company account, you are immediately shown the current count of your uploaded examples and an option to upload more. The second pathway is the main one. By going here, we can actually experience the AI-powered defect classification and defect report generation as shown. So you upload any defect image, provide an optional quick context, and provide the region for pricing. The generated report features a defect title and narrative written in the style of the current user based on uploaded examples of their own work, such as these. The report includes a detailed pricing section based on the rates and factors provided in the database. Everything is editable for final tweaks. Finally, the user can either access the raw output or download the PDF report. The generated reports follow structures similar to the ones seen in industry-standard tools such as Spectora. I also want to quickly go over the Supabase setup. It features 5 tables. The Profiles table is what makes the company-level segmentation possible by using a company ID, through which the app accesses only the relevant examples from the Defect Examples table. Contractor rates, area modification factors, and materials price tables include all the pricing information to generate correct estimates every time. RLS policies are used to enforce strict company-level isolation and ensure secure storage and retrieval. This concludes the brief demo on Report Writer AI. If you have any other questions or want to build something similar, make sure to let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye.